Okay, we're here with Nigel Padbury from Premium Crops. Thank you for joining us. First off, the obvious thing here is the oilseed rape plots. So could you tell us a little bit about those?
Yes, certainly. Well, Premium Crops offer high erucic acid rapeseed contracts, which is very different to standard double low oilseed rape from a contractual point of view, and certainly from an end user's point of view, but not different at all from a farmer's point of view, because it is the same species, slightly different varieties, but they're very, very similar in terms of yield performance. Certainly the agronomy is the same. The difference, the big difference, is the contract guarantees a premium over double low. And currently that premium is £130 a tonne.
Okay, so you've got a few varieties here that people can come and have a chat with you about.
Yeah, we've got 3 varieties on demonstration. Exactly the same requirements for high erucic as there is for double low in terms of standing power, plant height, soil type, matching those off. We run 5 variety trials nationally every year to test these varieties against double low standards.
I know Premium Crops, you've got a lot of trial plots here on your site, a lot of different things. Some that are already established, some that are still due to be established. Could you just highlight a few of the things that you're really looking forward to showing people?
Yeah, well, we value cereals because it's one of probably the only event in the UK where we can stand in front of a plot of the crops that we're offering and talk to farmers face to face about those species. And because some of the species that we offer are a little bit different to the mainstream, then it is great opportunity to be able to demonstrate canary seed or naked oats or red wheat or spelt wheat in the field, so that we can actually show what the plants really look like and what they're taking on.
Okay. And with that range of kind of crops here on site, obviously we've had quite a mild winter, we've had some tricky conditions. How have things stood up on?
So far, everything seems to have come through okay. I mean, obviously for a demonstration like this, the plots are nurtured. The rapeseed plots behind you were heavily fleeced at establishment to keep the flea beetles off, otherwise they'd be a real magnet. But they've come through fine from that point of view. Touch wood, I think we've had a slightly lower cabbage stem flea beetle year this year, and incidence is certainly not as bad as it has been previously. So yeah, the plots are looking fine. They've had standard oilseed rape management from the start, so nothing special there. Yeah, looking forward to having some decent plots in June.
And you've also been working on a poly-4 natural fertiliser project. Could you just tell us a little bit about that and why you want people to come and talk to you about it?
Our parent company is Cefetra, and Cefetra have the marketing arrangements for poly-4, which is a new polyhalite fertiliser product produced by AngloAmerican. We have a joint stand with them this year, so Cefetra and poly-4 will be on display on the other side of our stand from here, and hopefully we'll be able to talk about the advantages of using a natural polyhalite product, phosphorus product, to minimise and replace some of the nitrogen applications, some of the other fertiliser requirements of the crops going forward.